Hey y'all, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha. Thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. Today's video is a little something different from my usual tutorial videos. I'll be showing you how I prep for my second pop-up shop because honey, the first one was a complete disaster, but we're not gonna talk about that today. So I'll be showing you how I made my t-shirts, my hats, and my new hat press. A tutorial for the hat press is coming soon, but we're gonna keep this simple today. So I'm gonna show you how I was at the pop-up shop, how I set up my table, how I networked with other vendors. I was a nervous wreck, but I got through it. So shout out to the help I had, because Lord knows I needed it, because that first time I was trying to be Miss Independent Woman, it didn't work out real good. I got footage and videos from the first pop-up shop. I'm gonna eventually put that together and make a video for that one, and y'all gonna see a big difference. I'm getting better, so I feel like the third one is gonna be a charm. So that third one, I'll be able to come back and tell y'all, hey, you need to do this, y'all need to do that, you need to have this, you need to have that. This time we're not doing it because I ain't even got it together. But okay, enough of that. Let's get into the video. This is me the day before the pop-up shop, getting $100 at once so I can have change in case someone spends cash. Right here you see me making the QR stickers for the goodie bags that's going to be on my table. And my daughter spent the day with me to help me prepare for my event. Oh my gosh, she was so much help to me because I am a nervous wreck the day before. So shout out to Chanel. And oh, by the way, go check out her channel. It's Coco Chanel. So right here I'm showing her how to put my business card in and put candy and the QR sticker on the front. She did a fantastic job. Thank God for her. I'm still thanking her to this day because I would have never been able to do all of that in one day by myself. So this is her just putting the QR sticker and the business card. So if you know me, you know I'm a perfectionist. So I had to come over and make sure she was doing it right. She said that's why people don't like to help me, because I want to make sure everything is perfect. But whatever. So this is me doing the designs for the hats. And she's making the boxes for the t-shirts. So we got a knock at the door, and thank God it was the rest of my shirts because I was so upset because I didn't receive all of my shirts. So half of them came, but I'm still grateful because I received some of them because I did order them kind of late. So this is me showing her how to tear out the image instead of cutting it, because I don't want harsh lines on the hats when I go to press them. So I'm just using the tape measure so the image can be centered on the hat. So this is me coming back, y'all, because I forgot to tell her to do the most vital step in sublimating. And that's using a lint roller to get off any excess lint or debris, anything that's on the hat. Because you don't want to press the hat without lint rolling it, because, honey, you will have all type of blue lines and all type of crazy stuff going on. Here I just have her trying on the shirt that I'm going to make her to wear to the pop-up shop. Now we're on to the fun stuff. This is me pressing the hat. And oh, by the way, a tutorial is coming later of me unboxing my new hat press and showing you guys how to press a hat. But anyway, that design came out very pretty. So now we got a little assembly line going. She's laying the image and I'm pressing it. Y'all, these hats came out so good. I was so excited. Jesus, I wanted to sleep in the hat. Okay, on to the next mission. Okay, now this is Chanel just folding up the boxes for the hats. And of course, I made my own labels for the boxes. She didn't get the formation that I was going for my pop-up shop table. So I kind of had to show her. Me being extra, but yeah. So now moving on to the shirts. I've already designed, sized, and cut out the designs that I wanted on the shirts. So now I'm just pressing them on the shirts and she's pressing in the neck labels and she's going to do the folding, or we going to meet in the middle and do the folding together. So now she's folding the shirts and bagging them and putting the size on them. The reason I didn't get to show you guys me making the mugs and packing them, because I have a bunch of them made already. So I don't like to take too many items to the pop-up shop. So you get to see what mugs that I have on the table. Okay, y'all, so this is the morning of the pop-up shop. I'm a nervous wreck. I'm scrambling and everything else, and I wasn't able to be filmed too much because I was just, I don't know if I was having an anxiety attack or what, but okay, now, so fast forward, this is me setting up the table, and me and my daughter was going back and forth because I felt like I was doing all the work and all she wanted to do was film. Even though I needed the footage, I was just, I can't even explain it, y'all. Yeah, I promise I'm gonna get better. I had to apologize to my daughter because she was a lot of help to me, besides me going crazy. And yeah, I was just talking to my cousin. She does the concession at the pop-up shop. Her company is St. Louis Ghost Kitchen. So if you're in the St. Louis area, make sure you check her out. But yeah, this is me just setting up the table. Bruh. Did I tell you I don't like saying it, bruh? So this is a quick look of how my table looked after I set it up. It turned out very good. So at this point, we've ate at my cousin's concession stand. I'm upset because I didn't get to get footage of the food, but I'm going to insert some pictures. So now we're just walking around supporting other vendors, buying stuff, and yeah, just networking. And in 2 months, I got another pop-up shop planned. And with that pop-up shop, I'm going to kind of film a video because they say the third time for anything is a charm. So I should be able to tell you guys like tips and tricks, things I should have did, things I shouldn't have did, and basically how to gain the confidence to get out there and push your product. Because honey, I'm still a nervous wreck, but I feel like I'm getting better. That third one should do it for me, and it may help somebody else, so that's what I'm here for. Because the goal for 2023 is to learn it, apply it, then push it. So you reached the end of the video, but I am going to insert a bunch of pictures that we took during the pop-up shop. And I do want to say thank you guys so much for going along on this journey with me, this train wreck of a journey with me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.